Hi, I'm Seth Stein from Northwestern University. And to me, perhaps the most important thing we should be thinking about in the role of science relative to disaster risk reduction is to maintain a lot of humility in the face of the complexities of nature. From the outside, it often looks like we understand the science. And we understand some things fairly well, and there are other things we don't understand very well, and there are a lot of things we understand kind of sort of. And one tends to forget that. So, for example, our attempts to forecast earthquake hazards aren't all that good. They're better than nothing, but they're not that good. And the same will be true with our ability to forecast storm surges or many other kinds of events. That doesn't mean we shouldn't do it, but it means that when people are using our products to plan for disaster mitigation, they want to maintain a reasonable degree of skepticism about what we know and what we don't. So that's for the users. As scientists, I think we need to be much more careful about telling people what we know, what we don't know, what we think, and which is which. And I think, for example, we saw part of the disaster in Tohoku was that the degree to which they understood the earthquake hazard and tsunami hazard was vastly overestimated. They had it completely wrong. This happens more often than we might like. So, as scientists, we want to improve the science, but I think we also need to communicate the uncertainties better, and people on the outside should ask us, how much do you really know about all this? So, I think humility in the face of the complexities of nature is probably the biggest thing I'd like to suggest that we think about. Thank you.